after my last video. Talked about screwdrivers, trashed LTT a little bit. So if you're going to walk the walk, you might as well be able to talk the talk, or I better be able to. Basically, let's build a custom screwdriver. This is some of my prototypes, and I went through a lot. Snakeskin wrap, Cordura wrapped, or paracord wrapped. This is all 5/8 aluminum rod and 1/2-inch copper caps. In this case, it's 3/4-inch copper caps, 7/8 wooden rod. There's my crossbar for snapping screws loose. Same thing, crossbar for snapping screws loose. Okay, we're going to build this thing. So this is the beauty part of it. In my latest iteration, and I've gone through, this is going to be the short version. We're just going to talk about this latest version. I'll do a long detailed video on all the design decisions that came to this point. 1/2-inch aluminum rod, 1/2-inch copper pipe, ring it, cut it to length, roughly 1.25 inches. This is crimped. I've got a hydraulic power crimper for doing this. Drill a 1/4-inch hole into the rod, crimp it, it's not going anywhere. In this case, this side of the adapter, this little guy, which is a 1/4-inch square to a 1/4-inch hex, same thing, crimped inside here, about a 1/2 inch, it's not going anywhere. This is your swivel head ratchet, nice and simple. These wooden balls, you can buy at any hardware store. There's your 1/4-inch, fairly far down. I've come to realize that you want to have as much space up here for your hand to do regular screwdriver stuff. The actual bar goes down here. It's out of the way of your hand, your upper hand, and your lower hand. I like the longer ones. Nothing says you can't have a shorter one. Okay? In this case, we've got 1/4-inch six-sided, 1/4-inch square. This would go into your adapter here. This would be a handle or an alternative handle to the ratchet. That's the basic idea. I'll build some of them. We'll put them together. Nice and easy. Cut them. You can cut them with a hacksaw, a grinder, any number of different ways. Drill them. Drill press. So here you can see I got a bunch of them started up. So here we have a sample of bit drivers. These are all basically what it boils down to. It's not a custom screwdriver, it's a custom bit driver. Different lengths, different ways of doing it. You don't actually have to have these little adapters, these fingerless adapters. You could just use a standard 1/4-inch square to 6-sided hex and crimp them inside of a copper sleeve. You may not have quite the grip on the end, but they would work just as well. Okay, so we'll build some of them, we'll put them, show you what they got, and then I'll do a nice long video on how these decisions got to be where they are. Thank you.